Hello friends, our today's activity is a drawstring backpack. So basically we are going to make a backpack from this cloth. Now we have this cloth which is half a meter wide and 36 inches in the length. If you open the cloth, you will see that it is 36 inches in length. If you don't want to use the measurements, then all you have to understand is you have to take a rectangular piece of cloth which can be of any size. Now we will, from one side, I have folded this cloth in a perfect equal half. See? So I folded this cloth in a perfect equal half and I will cut approximately 6 cm wide strip from one edge. I will start cutting the cloth on one of the line. So I will get an approximately equal length of strip. The reason we are cutting the full length, basically we are going to need just half strip, but if we cut only one side, then we will not get an equal length of cloth. That's why we've cut the entire strip. So for now we will set our cloth aside. We will cut this strip in half. If it is a bit uneven, then just cut away the uneven part. So we've got our strip. Now what we are going to do is we are going to again cut this in two parts. So we got two parts. Now I have string a needle in a regular white thread. You get this white sewing roll. I have stringed this needle in the thread. I'm going to fold this strip like this. This is the first fold. And then the other part I'm going to fold over. We press it nicely. We will sew running stitch. And I have done running stitch with a dark color string. Now you will be able to make out that we have made this two strips. We will keep these two strips aside. Now coming back to our cloth, we are going to make a bag. So the bag will be like this and this will be the open part, right? So we are going to fold the edges, both the edges, twice. This is the first time and the second time. So we will equally fold and we will press. Now with my first fold, I am going to snip a diagonal piece. See this corner. Similarly on the other side. Now this is my first fold. Press it nicely. Then this is my second fold. Again press it nicely and sew running stitch at the lower end. You will repeat this same process for the second side also. So we will sew running stitch on this. I have finished sewing running stitch on both the sides. You can see both the edges and see this is hollow. This is hollow enough to pass your finger. So I finished doing that. The bag is still on the reverse side. Now the strips that we folded, these two strips that we have folded, what we are going to do is fold this into half and place it inside like this at the bottom edge. I'll fold this cloth so that you understand. See, you will place this inside here like this and sew from both the sides. Go over 2-3 times so that you secure this strip. Finally, tie a knot. Repeat this at the same side, at the same height on the other side. You please see to it that this closed part of the strip is going inside, and this is the open part of the strip which is outside. So we have stitched on both the sides, and see both the sides are open. This is the inside part of the bag. The bag is still inside out, okay, and we'll keep it like that.